Every once in a while we stumble upon something exceptional, and here we go, Rive. First row. Usually the catch with apartments this central is the parking place, but here it's not an issue because you have a double parking place just a few blocks from here. It's approximately 200 square meters, huge living area, two very generous bedrooms, walk-in closet, bathroom, super luxury kitchen. This is worth more than a modern day luxury SUV. And there's loads of light flooding in. You get the sea view, you get basically anything you can want from the highest end property in town. Browse around in the comments or in the info and you'll find the link to the 3D tour of the interiors. You can walk around every single room, figure out for yourself if you like the place or you don't, but I guess you will. Se volevate la versione in italiano di questo video trovate nel link qua sotto il video del mio socio Davide, triestevillas.com. Thank you, it was a great pleasure. Ciao!